guys, it's from Kian. Are you crying? Don't cry, come here. So guys, I just hop out from the washroom. Like, I just finished taking a shower. You can see my hair. I just tried one custard on my hair and I like it. It's not gel, it's just custard. I finished washing it and I just used only the custard on my hair. I think the hair is popping.
Hello, Access Fam. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Oh no! Story of mother of four. I'm making Janet's hair. I'm not even done. Janet, turn your back of it. I did it halfway yesterday. So I might finish it today. So it's almost towards evening though. How are you all doing? Kian, what are you doing? Wine, 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 wine. What is the matter? So guys, I am craving yam.
And you
roasted yam, guys.
And yam is my favorite food.
Oh, and you not like to eat yam. Ryan, you like to eat yam too? Hey, Kian, I just breastfed you, man. Why are you crying like that? Why are you crying? Don't cry. So guys, me, I'm craving roasted yam today. And my husband just bought this yam yesterday. So, I want to be roasting yam. And guys, let's roast the yam together. Let me show you guys. We'll buy in carton. Here you go. A carton here is $100. So, Kian, don't cry. Did I hold him here?
Because of the virus, it's selling for 110.
Now that they're talking about virus here,
for 120.
the guy said they're selling for 120. They've added $20 already, guys. Can you imagine? People are taking advantage of this thing. Is this yam even good? Because my husband went alone, he did not even bother opening it. No, my husband is always in a hurry when he's buying stuff. So I will just roast two. Let's roast this yam together. What I plan on doing is open my oven, then set it for 350 and put the yam. I'm going to take one. I'll take one from the carton. And this is one that I have from my previous yam. So I'm going to roast this two. I can't roast two yam at the same time. Yo, Sarah, come on! So I will just roast two. Let's roast this yam together. 30 minutes again. So after 60 minutes, guys, look, one got turned. Don't know why. So this is looking. It's fully cooked. If you press it, you see that it's fully cooked. So what I will do is just peel it out like so. Just peel it. You can use knife. You can use whatever you feel like using. So just peel it. That's what I'm going to be doing to all of it. Drag it like this. Booyaka. See? So when I'm done peeling everything, I don't want to bore anybody. When I'm done peeling it, I'm going to put it back again and set 30 minutes. Then I'll show you guys how it's looking. This one is still with the second layer. Look, this is the first layer, this is the second layer, and this is the third layer. So I took off the third layer of this one. So if you are doing your own and yours turn out this way, it's two different type of yam. This is the new one that I just bought, and this is the one that is left from my old one that I bought before. So this one went with the whole layer, and this one just left with the first layer. So I'm done peeling this one like this, and I'm still going to take it back. I'm still going to take it back to my oven, so you don't think that's all. Then this is the opportunity for me to take out any of this unwanted visitors in the yam. So I'm just going to dig them out like that with a small baby spoon, like so. Take it out. I'm done peeling. I'm going to return them back to the oven now, and I'm going to set 15 minutes for each side till it is perfectly roasted the way I want it. But this time around, I'm not going to, since it is well cooked now, it's cooked all the way. Look, let me show you an example. Hopefully it does not break the yam. Look, it's all the way cooked, perfectly cooked. See, the small spoon went in. I'm going to put it and bake some more. I'm still going to set 350. So guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished look of the yam, guys. So the other one that was half peeled, all you need to do is just scrape like this and peel everything out. The Nigeria way. Ooh, it's so hot. Look at it, guys. Roasting yam in diaspora. Ooh, wow. So you see, just peel. And the second method, the one that was completely peeled, look at the way it's looking. So you don't need to peel anything from this one because this is all yam. There was no back or anything left. So now, look at this inside this one. Look at it, see? Perfectly roasted! my word, guys. My husband is going to be eating yam today after 7 years.
We got more sugar.
After 7 years of his life. Because the last time my husband tasted roasted yam was in my house. In our house in the village when he came visiting. Since then he has not eaten roasted yam again. Look! And I've roasted him yam today. I'm so excited though. My husband is gonna be eating roasted yam. Oh my god, guys. This yam tastes like sugar. If I had the sugar, oh. I'll let be sugar, oh. So you see it, guys, roasted yam. So the second one.
That's another plate now.
But one plate should be just enough. Then we might not cut everything a bit. Let's put that skin like that. Oh, look at it, guys. Roasted yam in diaspora. Then put this one somewhere. All done. So SS Farm is time to devour the yam. This is the finished look. So you guys can now enjoy your yams in diaspora. It's really, really yum. My kids have almost finished it because I roasted 2. This is the small one that is left. So enjoy watching. Thanks for always watching. Peace. We out.
We out.